Hello mga kabayan! Umay ka na ba sa mamantikang fried chicken? Kung ikaw to, ate and kuya, try mo na itong air fry Pinoy style fried chicken. Let's start with any chicken of your choice. Season lang natin ito ng asin, paminta, garlic powder, paprika, patis for umami flavor, lemon, pantanggal lansa, at chicken powder. Massage lang natin hanggang sa ma-distribute ang ating mga pampalasa. At i-fridge for 3 hours or better overnight. This time, ready na ito for air fry. Set lang natin ang ating air fry for 20 minutes. Then, baliktadin and same setting for another 10 minutes. Para sa sausawan, nagmix na ako ng sweet chili sauce at sriracha. At para kumpleto ang ating fried chicken cravings, let's fry some eggs and garlic rice. And just like that, ready na ang less fat, less oil, Filipino-style fried chicken. Enjoy! And you're welcome!